This is Sean. His company uses remanufactured cartridges rather than original HP cartridges. Sean thinks it makes sense to reuse an existing resource, like refilling his favorite mug. But cartridges aren't intended to be reused, as Sean is learning. It's a common myth that remanufactured cartridges are a better choice for the environment than new ones. But across all areas studied, original HP LaserJet toner cartridges had a lower environmental impact compared with remanufactured toner cartridges. It turns out a cartridge's greatest environmental impact depends on how well it prints. It all comes down to print quality. Reusing them results in poor, inconsistent print quality. That means reprints and paper waste. Now Sean's company uses reliable, original HP cartridges designed to help reduce environmental impact. And Sean's reports print right the first time. Help cut waste. Partner with HP for the environment. Go with original HP supplies.